Coast Guard, PCGA 201st Squadron Cebu, Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, DRRMO, PNP Tourist Police Unit, Outdoors 7 Summit, and our organizing partner, Philippine Outrigger Canoe Club, Field Dip Scuba Diving, Mighty Thor Swimming Team, and to our event partners, Watercraft Association of Cebu, Budits Media, Tewata Wellness, Anytime Fitness, Red Balintawak FMA, Waterdog Adventures.ph, SSI Scuba Schools International, TTF World.ph, Wholeshot.ph, and Fit Concrete. Again, calling all the participants of SUP, please come over here to our starting line. Okay, we almost have everybody here. I believe in the starting area, we have Nico Alpha, we have Mario over here. Okay, PJ, Raymond, Jake, Arnie, Nico, and Mario. Are we gonna be, is this gonna be it?